All right. I don't know about you, but sometimes I have a hard time carrying all of the stuff in for the groceries. But Creative Greenlight makes an awesome grocery bag here. This stuff is super sturdy. You get a pack of 3, and there's all kinds of different options you have. Check out the amount of stuff that I have in here, and it is a nice fixed bottom right here, really good handles, and they're high. That's what I like about them. They're high, so if you have bread or you have big bags of chips, you can set different things inside of this. Makes it super simple. Now I got a ton of stuff already in here, and it's super sturdy. I got another one with a bunch of stuff in here without any problems, just giving me the ability to pack it and get it in the house. One of the cool things about these is as you go into the store, this is how you can carry them, just like so. You just pop them open like that. You have the bottom that will flip over and make the floor of it, and there you go. You can put these in the bottom of your shopping cart, so you can go ahead and put your groceries in there. You don't have to use any plastic bags. You can just use Creative Greenlight and their product right here. Once you're done, pull the bottom up just like so, accordion it back, and you're good to go. Super easy. Put them back in your car. Makes it easy for all your grocery needs. Check them out.